Hello all and welcome back to my channel JS Lab. Today we will see how to do different types of plot in Python. So plots are very important when you analyze data. So we have line plots, scatter plot, bar chart and histograms. So today we will see the line plot and we will take a real data of fuel price, okay, of 10 days. And first of all we will import the libraries. So we have imported pandas and for plotting matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Now we will see our data. Run this one and our data is fuel price. Okay, so for fuel price I have stored in the path. So I'll give the name as fuel price fp equals pd dot read csv. It is in csv format, read underscore csv, and the name I gave is fuel price. Fuel. Okay, so there was a mistake. CSV. Okay, so we will see the data. Okay, so this is the data in which there is a date, petrol price and diesel price. So you can see weekly petrol and diesel prices, and we will see how to plot this one. Okay, we can use plt dot plot. Now the x and y value. X value is fp dot petrol and y value is fp dot date. fp dot date and y value is fp dot petrol. Okay, you can see the graph. This is the plot where the x-axis is date and y-axis is the petrol price. Since the whole date is displayed, okay, it is congested or there will be an overlap. So we will increase the size of the plot. So in order to view that one, we can increase the size of the plot. I'll put this one here. See plt dot figure and figure size equal 28. Okay, if you run this one, you can see the plot has we have increased the size of the plot, and now you can see the individual date and also the price variation. We will plot the diesel price as well. Okay, so plt dot plot. Now you can see the diesel price and petrol price has been plotted. Okay, now I am interested. So you can see that the diesel price is petrol price is shown in orange and diesel price in green. So those are default color values. You can select your own color value by using color, color, color equal to, you put the color you required. Okay, so I'll put violet here. And for diesel I'll put tomato. Okay, so a list of colors available you can see in the help section. Okay, petrol in violet and diesel price in tomato color. Okay, so we'll see some more modification to this one. So I'll copy this one and we'll start a new line. Okay, so I'll decrease the size to 10. Okay, and we'll just see. Okay, so this is enough. We can see the date and also the color. We'll modify it such a way that we'll increase the line width. Okay, so line width, if you are interested in increasing the line width, you can put line width equal to 2. Okay, so you can see the same thing here. See, the line width has been increased. See this one. Now the line width is given as 20, so you can see the difference. So whatever line width is required, you can provide equal to 1. I'll put 1. Okay, that is a default value. I'll put 1. Now is a continuous line. You can change the line style to, I'll put this one. Okay, that means not continuous lines. Okay, so we change that one. You can see that here. So the violet has been changed here. Color has changed to a dotted line. Dotted line. And then the next one is, if you are interested in providing markers, so you can see the data points. Okay, marker equal to, you can put x. Okay, then you can see at each data point, so you can see 9/6/2003 what is the range. Okay, so you can see all the markers here. You can apply the same to diesel as well. Line width is this one, and I'll put a line style as dotted like this. Okay. And marker I'll put as, provide it as S. You can see this one. Oh, sorry, I forgot to put this one. Okay, so you can see here square. Okay, here in for my for the diesel case, you can see the square markers has come, and also the line has been replaced with dot. So these are the modifications that you can make to the your line plot. Now we'll see how to label the parts. Okay, so first of all we'll put a title. Okay, title. We'll put a title, price. Okay, so now you can see the fuel price. The title has come, and we can give the plt.x label date. X label is date, and y label it is the price. Okay, so if you run that one, you can see the date and price on x and y axis and fuel price. And now if you are interested in giving a legend, okay, you can see you can give a legend, plt dot legend petrol diesel. Okay, and give that one in order. Now sorry, we need to provide this one inside a square bracket. Okay, so now it has come. Now we'll see how to change the font size. Okay, if you are interested in changing the font size, you x tick. Okay, if it is plt.x tick, then font size equal to 12 we will put. Okay, equal to 12. It should be not, it is not x tick, it's x ticks. So you can see here the x-axis, the font size has increased. That's why that overlap came. Okay, so we'll change that one to 8. Okay, so now it has changed. So see, now the x-axis becomes neat, and the same thing you can apply to y-axis as well. plt dot same thing will be applied to the y-axis. So now our plot is ready, and if you are interested in providing a grid, okay, you can put that one as well. plt dot grid. So now see, grid has been added to your plot. So first we have seen how to provide a single line plot, a double line plot, and how to label the x-axis and y-axis, how to change the font size of x and y labels, y-axis, and how to provide a title, and how to provide a label, how to provide a legend. Now I will show you how to plot using the subplot command. Okay, subplot command. So for that, plt dot subplot, we need to provide how many rows and how many columns. Okay, for example, now I am providing one column and one row and two column, in which the first one, select the first one, and there you plot plt dot plot. So the first subplot has been plotted. That means see, I have provided in the first row total there will be one row and two columns. That means two subplots in column wise, in which first one I have plotted. Now the second one, plt dot subplot the second one. We will provide the diesel price, plt dot, sorry, it should not be comma, it should be dot. We have plotted the thing side by side, but you can see that you need to increase the figure size in order to get a better view. Okay, it will be better if you go for another type of subplot, in which you select it in row wise. Okay, we will do that one in this one. Okay, in which there will be two rows and one column, here also. So second, two rows and one column, in which first and second we have tab. So this is better than the previous one. Okay, so you can increase the figure size and see whether you are getting a good one. For increasing the figure size, I'll copy this one. Okay, I'll copy this one, and so you can see you got a better view of the graph, the petrol price here and this one. So we need to all these things you can include here. If you are interested in providing color, line width, line style, and marker, you can do that there for both the subplots in separate manner. Also you can provide title, x label, y label for both one. Okay, for example, I'll show you that one. You'll see this. I'll select this, and for each subplot you need to provide. Okay, so fuel price, date, and price of petrol. Okay, so fuel price and price of petrol. You can do the same thing for the diesel as well. Okay, so this is only for the first subplot. Second subplot you can do. I'm not doing that now. So now we'll see a different example in which I have provided the x value as np dot a range. You need to select a range from between 0 and 360 degrees. So 2 into np dot pi. So in order to do this one, you need to provide this one. Okay, import numpy as np, and this from the numpy library it will take the value of pi, and 0.1 is the gap. Then y is equal to np dot sin x. So whatever is the x value, it will calculate the corresponding sin value, and you plot x comma y. That means in x, for x value, you will get the y value. You can see that the sin x will have maximum value of 1 and minimum value of -1, and you can see the graph of this is the sin plot. This is a common example. This can also be done, okay, if you run that one. So that's all about the line plots. So what I will do is I will explain the scatter plot, bar and histogram in the coming videos. Then we will do some practical data analysis examples and how we can use this line plot, scatter plot, histogram, etc. for our analysis. Thanks for watching. Bye.